That is it. It's not questioned.
All right. Sergeants, I've added someone. I saw you were requesting my brother. How are you, Sergeants?
I'm good, Ndeka.
Yes, yes. Or did you want to perhaps add something or ask a question to to our guys? I've got experts here. You can hear the knowledge here. Even me as a lawyer, I'm quiet. These guys are talking.
Yeah,
Only 80.
yeah, yeah, Ndeka. So, tutuvashapuka English ngamanda. Mara conch udozvipa.
Okay.
Marakiziva madito kaufele. I can't speak jikeleza ukutatara my chance here, so I cannot speak in English.
Okay, yeah. Okay, okay. Let me try. I want to ask Conch here. Conch, you said you make $2 million on your broker, ne?
Not make, received. Keyword.
Okay. Conch, you I think you have money, ne? But why, Conch?
Okay.
Listen.
Yeah.
Why don't you buy your own house? Because you don't have a house. In Gauteng, you don't have a house.
Says
What makes you think he doesn't have a house? Sorry.
Yeah, ask him.
Because okay. Listen.
Yeah, like did you run a title deed search on him or something?
Conch doesn't have house in Gauteng because Conch is rented in Gauteng. So
okay, what about South Africa? South Africa is not Gauteng only. South Africa is not Gauteng only. South Africa is Mali. What about in other areas? Does he not have any house in other areas? You only mentioned about Gauteng.
Gauteng is a province in South Africa, ne?
Yeah.
So Conch, I know that house. I already sold that house in market. It's 6.5 million now. So the house that Conch lives in it's a 6.5 million now. I already go to Property 24 and looking for a house, and I found that house. But when Conch moves to that house, he said he bought a new house. And that's not.
Wait, hold on. When did I say? Did I tell you that? Or I didn't
you posted?
When did I tell you?
You posted on social media. Yeah, you posted on social.
Posted. Okay. Continue.
Before he continues,
and also
before he
also
continues with wait. Before he continues, we want to understand from Conte that do you agree with the what he's saying?
You know, that's the point that I wanted to mention. I wanted him to ask his question. He's telling me, you see, my king, exhibit. One thing I've learned from you today is how calm you are in every situation, and that shows another level of maturity that most people don't have, right? So this guy entered the life, correct, and then he's telling me, you see, there's a difference when a person is asking you and telling you.
Correct.
So this guy is telling me that I don't have, and I will never argue with him. The reason being that I don't see a need to argue with somebody at his level. So what I'm waiting for is an actual question that he wants to ask me, and then I will answer. Now, there's a difference between somebody. Let's say I'm still explaining. There's a difference between. Wait, I'm still explaining. There's a difference between somebody who says, "Exhibit, what do you do for a living?" and also somebody who's saying, "Exhibit, are you still a banker?" Do you understand the difference in these questions? So it's like somebody who's asking you, "Are you still a banker?" because they know you are a banker. They know they just want to confirm. So this guy is not asking me. He's telling me. You understand? He's telling me that I don't have anything in Gauteng. He's literally telling me that I
Okay,
don't.
Okay.
So
let's go to
I
the
don't
guy.
see
Let's go
a
to the
question
guy.
here
Let's go
because
back to the guy. Let's go to
yes,
let's go
he
back to the
he
guy.
must ask a question properly. Start with the 1 year 30 million because he didn't
Okay.
understand it. He just jumped in without understanding.
Coach,
So we'll
coach,
educate him calmly. Yeah.
Coach, I will go to the questions. I'm still
Yes.
talking.
Start with the first one. Correct.
Oh, wait, I'm still talking. That time when you moved to that house, you said you bought a new house. And then,
Okay, let's wait. Hold on. Indika,
Yeah, I'm here.
I want you to ask this guy to turn on his camera, ne? And then show us a post that I made specifically saying what he said.
Yes.
Oh,
Do you
was it
understand? Please, my king, please go and show us. We have all the time in this. I want you to go look for the post that I made specifically for the King of Bling SA to see on social media. Please go show us that post, my king. And Dika, I want you to step in so that he can show us the post.
Yeah.
First things
What's
first.
first,
I get it. He said I
Yeah.
posted. I want him to go and show us the post. I'm here. I'm
Okay.
still live. I'm not moving.
Loud and clear.
We'll
Loud and
wait
clear.
for the post.
What's first?
Coach, yeah, no, and those first Sunday, Coach,
Yes.
DJ Coach,
Yes, my king.
I don't have another social media phone. I have Nokia 3310.
Okay.
So,
Ndika, this my brother here must tell us which date. We'll all go back and check. I can open another phone. I can help you. Tell me so that I can look which picture exactly. I can go to my profile and check which one.
Coach,
yes.
Do you still remember that greenhouse that you was living in it last year? I think
You see, it's a problem, Ndika.
Wait.
Ndika. Ask him to show us the post where I made telling him specifically that I got. That's what I'm looking for. Other things we are not going to entertain. Ask him because he's not going to show us. I know. I want him to go show us. Show us the post that I made for you.
Problem in our oneti home no drago post and then ndingasi amburi ndisuzvo yazviposta lini nomfollowa voti mufollowi ndifollowa vone ape aber coach vatovatende kundipetsohamba coach wait I'm still talking ne wait listen coach you always rent a house in Gauteng. That greenhouse, it was on the market.
Ndika, exhibit.
Yeah.
You're still on the line with us.
Yeah,
I believe you guys are witnesses, right?
Oh,
and we must learn to deal with issues as they stand. This guy entered the live and said, I said I bought a house. So I want him to all show us that post. Before we go any further.
Can you give us the exhibit?
Yes, he mustn't go to other things. He must prove it. Basically, exhibit. I want to show you something that's happening in South Africa. Ne? And this guy is just going to prove it all over again. He came in and he said a statement, right? That I said that I bought a house of 6 million. I want him to go and look for that post and publicly show us. Then I'll explain to him. Because now he's moving from one story to the other. It's confusing.
Wait. You are spreading a wrong news. I didn't say that. I said I didn't say. I didn't say you bought the house by 6 million. I said the house is in market now.
Okay,
the house that
but you said I said I bought. You said I said. Okay, didn't you say I said I bought? Didn't you say that?
You said you bought a new house, but you didn't.
Yes, where is the post?
Show me. But
exactly.
Now, wait.
Pause right there. Show us the post. Show us the post.
Okay. No problem. I will show you the post. Wait.
Okay, we are waiting. You see, you must for your points to be valid from here, you must show us that post that I specifically posted for you to see. Then we can start moving to other issues, because now it's a problem when you say things and now we are asking for follow-up questions. Now it's a problem. You can't provide
Coach,
what you are saying.
Coach,
We want an exhibit.
We want-
Exhibit one.
yes, Coach, you are living in a house that is on the market now.
You see, you can't
How
tell
do
me where, my brother. Listen, you are not my girlfriend. I'm not sleeping with you. I am
but-
who I'm with, and when and why. So you
But
must
why
tell
always
us
renting?
first.
You have money. You said you have money. Why don't you afford to buy a house in Gauteng? Just to buy it.
Jesus Christ.
Okay, can I interrupt? Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
interrupt,
What
my
what,
king.
what makes you think that if the house is on the market, he's the one who is selling it?
It's not. I checked the agents and the owner of houses and what. It's
No,
not. It's
get
not
that
DJ
information.
Coach.
Don't lie. You don't lie. You cannot get the
It-
information of the person selling. The agent is selling on behalf of him. You know.
Guys,
Witches
I
will
removed him.
get caught daylight.
I feel like he's gonna make us deviate now. I feel like this is not the substance of what we were talking about. We were not talking about who has what here. We were talking about Forex in a broad sense versus the economy in a very broad sense. You understand? So I removed him, Coach. I removed him. And it's not personal, but if he
you
wants
see,
to take it personal,
Ndika, I know. You
Mhm.
see, I think you are noticing the difference between the me today and the other me that you know.
Yeah, I know,
You know?
and
I'm
very
sure you
impressed.
noticed. It's because
I'm impressed.
you know what my lawyer said.
Mm.
There were a couple of people that I wanted to sue. My lawyer watched the whole videos and whatnot of the people that I wanted to sue. And then we ran a couple of reports, and then we found out that, man, these people don't have money. They are not worth it, right? First things first. And also, my lawyer taught me one thing. He said, Coach, sometimes when a person starts with attack or whatever, trying to do whatever, bring you down, you must just take your time, listen to them speak. Use the same information that they are trying to turn against you, against them. That is why when the guy came in and said, you said you bought a house, I said, go show us the post where I told you I bought a house. You see, and then from there, he was lost. You see,
I'm with you.
That's one thing I've learned. Yeah, I've learned about maturity. Also, secondly, this guy is literally telling me, my G, telling me that I do not have anything in Gauteng. He's telling me. You see, there's a difference between a person who's asking you that, Coach, what do you have? I will tell you what I have. And then there's a difference between somebody who's telling you what you don't have. You don't need to argue with such people, because when you check their records, they don't have anything. Motsepe doesn't have time for such things. Anyways, I see there's a new person.